This is all about YAHAWAHSHI. It's not about no bitch, man. Won't give a damn about no bitch, man. A bitch can be replaced. YAHAWAHSHI cannot be replaced. A job can be replaced. This knowledge, wisdom, and understanding cannot be replaced. A house can be replaced. The name of YAHAWAHSHI can't be replaced. So if you lose that, you're done. If you lose this knowledge, you're done. But if you lose a bitch, well, hey, you can get another one. Go ask Job. Okay? This is Matthew chapter 6, verse 33. But seek ye first the kingdom of Yahweh and his righteousness, and all these things shall be added unto you. You don't seek a bitch first. You don't seek a job first. You don't seek a family first. Right? Too much people are trying to set up a foundation in a wicked place that's going to be destroyed. You don't set up foundation in this sick, demonic place, man.